And that he tried to kill her. Those are the key words, because that lines right up with the state's case against the doctor. The jury's still not in the courtroom. We do know the defendant is in the courtroom. We saw him enter earlier, but the camera now is pointed to the ceiling. So as soon as the judge takes the bench, we'll head in for day 9. Michael, before the break, we were talking about that exact testimony. How do you combat it? Because jurors heard what they heard and saw what they saw.
That's going to be tough. I mean, I had to gulp when I saw that again. I saw his entire testimony live, and it's difficult as a defense attorney. I put myself back in the chair of being the defense attorney. You hear something like that. You asked me a great question, Ted. How do you rebut it? There's no good way. There's a bunch of bad ways, but you got to do it. You have to do what you have to do. It's like having the worst job in the world. You have to do it. It's still your job, but you don't know how you're going to do it. Every day you wake up in the morning and you do it. In this case, you're the defense attorney. This is where you really make your mark as a defense attorney. Win or lose, you have to find a way to combat this. And again, I know I sound like a broken record, but if he would have waived the jury, it would have been slightly less difficult to do with the judge, because the judge would have then had to sit back and say, hey, I'm going to actually send this guy to jail for 30 years when there's a chance that his son might have misinterpreted what he said. To convince 12 people on the jury of that, that's an impossible task. He's not going to be able to do it.